KORSOUM DIARRA is refusing to lose hope. Ever since she gave birth to her twin boys 13 months ago, she's been struggling to keep them alive.
One of my twin boys fell seriously ill. I took him to the health clinic in our village for treatment. After a while, they told us they couldn't keep him there because the illness was getting worse and he needed to be admitted to a bigger hospital. That's why we came here in Kati for treatment, but he's still sick after weeks of being here.
Doctors at this medical center outside the Malian capital say the boy is suffering from severe malnutrition. He's one of dozens of children being treated here. Child malnutrition is an age-old problem in the country. Mali is one of the poorest in the Sahel. But it has been getting worse recently, according to both local and international organizations.
On the national level, we have about 200,000 children suffering from acute malnutrition, and the level of that acuteness has surpassed all our expectations. They need to be admitted in intensive care units, and their treatment should be paid for. But there is a huge deficit in human and financial resources for such a task, so unfortunately many of those children lose their lives.
Millions more are going hungry, a number that is growing. According to both UNICEF and WFP, close to 5 million children in this country are in need of urgent humanitarian assistance, including in the fields of health and nutrition. This figure shows an increase of at least 1.5 million children in need since 2020. Relief organizations say 2,500 people are facing famine in the eastern region of Menaka. Mali's economy has been deteriorating for years, but rampant insecurity has added to the misery of millions. The region of Timbuktu is being taken over slowly by armed groups. Separatist fighters in the north have resumed fighting after 8 years of relative peace. The UN says mass displacement and restricted humanitarian access are further complicating the situation. The imminent withdrawal of the last UN peacekeepers from the country at the behest of the coup leaders is expected to make matters worse. Mohamed Vall, Jazeera, Bamako.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.